Hello, good morning, student of Standard 7. Today we will take Unit 1, and its activity number 7. It's activity number 8. Here is a short story. Name is The Fox and the Rabbit. There was once a very clever fox who loved to brag of his cleverness. जो बोस्टिंग करता है ना, जो अपनी बहुत बड़ाई बताता है ना, उसको ब्रेक कहते हैं. तो ये जो सियार था फॉक्स, वो अपनी क्लेवरनेस की बार बार प्राउडली ही वॉज स्पीकिंग. वन डे ही सेड टू द रैबिट, I am so clever. He said that I know 100 ways to escape enemies. यानी मैं दुश्मन से भाग जाने के 100 तरीके जानता हूँ. Wow, the rabbit said, I have only one, but it works well. The fox said, you should listen to me. I will teach you many more. You should know many ways to escape like I do. उसने कहा, तू मुझे ध्यान से सुन, मैं तेरे को तरह तरह के तरीके बताऊंगा. Just at that moment, the fox and the rabbit heard the cries of a pack of hunters coming towards them. उतने में उसने क्या देखा कि कुत्तों का झुंड, वो चिल्लाता हुआ शिकारी कुत्ते का झुंड जंगली वहाँ आने लगा. Immediately the rabbit leaped down in his hole. Immediately रैबिट ने क्या किया, जो तुरंत कूद के भाग जाता है ना, he leaped down, उसके होल में वो जल्दी से कूद गया. Just at that moment, the fox and the rabbit heard the cries of a pack of hunters coming towards them. Immediately, the rabbit leaped down his hole and was gone. और वो जा चुका था इतने में तो. He called back to the fox. उसने सियार को भी बुलाया, आजा आजा जल्दी. This is my plan. What are you going to do? कि अभी मेरा प्लान है, तू क्या करने जा रहा है. द फॉक्स थॉट फर्स्ट ऑफ वन वे. सियार क्या करने लगा, पहले ये युक्ति ढूंढने लगा, फिर वो दूसरा रास्ता जानने, ये युक्ति करूँ या वो युक्ति करूँ. देन अनोदर, ये करूँ या तो वो करूँ. देन ही थॉट ऑफ अ बेटर वे, उसमें से भी कौन सा अच्छा है उसके बारे में कंसीडर करने लगा. Then he considered other way. And while he was thinking of all his clever choice, the hunters caught him up and he was soon carried off. और उसको वहाँ से लेके चले गए. So this is the story. So just like this, there is another story in activity number 10. So let us do revise this. Activity 10. Read the story to yourself. Mark any words you don't understand. Use the dictionary, the internet or your classmate who may help you to understand each words and ideas in this story. One night, Emperor Akbar dreamed that he had lost all his teeth except one. The next morning, he invited all the astrologers of his kingdom to interpret this dream. After a long discussion, an astrologer prophesied that all his relatives would be died before him. Emperor Akbar was very upset by this interpretation and so sent away all the astrologers without any reward. Later that day, Birbal entered the Darbar. Emperor Akbar related his dream and asked him to interpret it. After thinking for a while, Birbal replied that the emperor would live a longer and more fulfilled life than any of his relatives. Emperor Akbar was pleased with Birbal's explanation and rewarded him handsomely. So, this is also, there are so many questions are in this both story, short story. So, let us know about the question answer. Here is some question answer. They are: question number 1. What is the fox was bragging? The fox was bragging to the rabbit, I am so clever. I know 100 ways to escape enemies. Question number 2. What did the fox wanted to do for rabbit? The fox wanted to teach the rabbit many ways of escaping from the enemies. Question 3. Here the pack of hunters. Name others noun which the word pack is used. Packs is a collective nouns. There are other two also we have. Pack of wolves and pack of wild dogs. Pack of wolves also, it's a collective noun. And pack of wild dog. Question number 4. What did the rabbit do as soon as he heard a pack of hunters coming? As soon as the rabbit heard a pack of hunters coming, he leaped down his hole and was gone. Question number 5. How many teeth did Emperor Akbar lose in his dream? Emperor Akbar lost all teeth except one. Question number 6. What was the interpretation of the astrologers for the teeth that Emperor Akbar had lost? The astrologer's interpretation, Emperor Akbar's dream that all his relatives would be died before him. So let us finish this episode here. Kindly write down all the question answer and material whatever that 5 times in your notebook and do practice. Okay, bye, see you.